It's gonna jump! It's gonna jump! Oh my god!
Hey guys, Twister Kid 2021 here. Today actually, I know it's been a while since I last filmed a video. So, by the way, as you remember, we got another Matchbox Tesla here. I actually got this in September 2023, and I just fixed the camera, so it looks a lot better now, so I can capture views in good quality. Decided to get this from guys at Target. So it's the same model, and I do have another unboxing to my other video. If you want to check it out, I'll put a link down below if you want to see it. So I'm gonna show you unbox. What do I do now? Here's I need to get through. So I was trying to get this piece out, and so there's this another piece in here, just like, okay, that I got out. So this is the silver version. So move all this stuff out of the way, out of the camera. I'm gonna compare it to you guys. So I got both. This is the one I have in blue, and this is the one in silver. So I have both colors. So as you see here, numbers gotta be. Okay, let's see what it is says. Go back, focus camera. Yeah, this camera's old. There. I think it has the same exact thing on here, maybe same serial number. I don't know if it does. On this one, I think it does. Probably, yeah. Almost looks the same. I think it has different backs, I think. NFN93. That's the name of the model, I think. So yes, this is a cool car actually. So it's the other vehicle. This is the new one I have. It has the same exact number on the back of it. So yeah, it has same ceiling. Just like the other one. There's gotta be a Tesla logo right there. And also this is another one I got. I think it has a license plate on the back of it. It says let me see what it says here. Zero, I can't see it very much since it's just small. God, this camera's old. No. It says zero, what is it? Their license plate on this one says zero emissions. Gotta say on this one, yeah, zero emissions. That's what it says. So it's kind of cool. I got both these cars actually for good price. Got this one I got in May 2023. This one I got in September 2023. I know. I was hoping to do an unboxing of this in October, but I was not able to do it. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video.